today we'll be making a choc chip mousse, a mint choc chip mousse. You can, if you want, you don't have to add the choc chips. So first we're going to cut the banana. Then we're going to cut this avocado. You don't want to add the skin in. That might upset the Vitamix. Next, we'll add some coconut milk or milk. This one's oat milk. So 1 cup of milk. And now let's add some mint. This mint is from our garden. Next, let's add some of these. Next, we'll add some hemp seeds. And now we'll add some chocolate. Then let's add the top. Or let's just put a bit more oat milk in it first. Now add the top. And let's turn it up. And here we have it, mint mousse. I'm going to leave this in the fridge for 20 minutes and then enjoy.
The smell of mint and cinnamon.